Hi, this is Dr. Travis from Ambiente Gallerie, and today I'd like to talk to you about juicing. Now, juicing can be a very beneficial food to add to your diet and your family's nutrition plan. Juicing is basically a hyperconcentration of foods, right? So it has lots of vitamins, lots of minerals, lots of enzymes, natural and healthy cofactors that are difficult to synthesize in a lab, right? So the benefit of juicing is that most people won't take the time to eat the amount of carrots or kale that you would put into a juice, so you get that hyper-concentrated form of that nutrition that is easily absorbable by the body. Anytime you remove fiber like that, it makes it easier for it to get through your digestive system into your bloodstream, and that's the benefit of juice. It just gets right in there real quick, okay? Now the types of juicers that you pick will have an effect on the nutrients that you're able to get out of the food that you're juicing. So a centrifugal juicer is one that spins around, and sometimes they'll walk across the cabinet while you're doing it. Those don't extract quite as much as the masticating juicers. Masticating juicers use a press version in them to squeeze a little bit extra nutrients out of the pulp. Then the pulp is discarded. I prefer to compost it. Composting the pulp creates great fertilizer for the garden next year, which gives you more fuel for your juice the following season. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you.